rock and roll came out. See, people don't remember rock and roll came out the same way rap came out. People said, nah, it'll never last. Parents told their children not to listen to it. It's bad, it's the devil's music. And what it developed into is something bad. You know, it's like, I see these guys doing with the guys that I used to, you know, look on TV, look at the old movies. I used to like that. But then I look at the new rock and rollers. It's a shame what they did to it, and I hope rap just don't go that same route, where they take the rawness away, just didn't make it too pretty. I don't think rock and roll was meant to be pretty. Rock and roll was meant to be bad. It's like rap.
Old school. And yo, we're strictly old school. Old school. And yo, we're strictly old school. Old school. And yo, we're strictly old school.
This is the way it's supposed to be.
Flipping the flow, so it's spitting on the MIC.
Ever since the first time we heard a fat beat, squiggity boom bap, rap's coming back as we speak, yo.
This is the way it's supposed to be.
Flipping the flows when we spitting on the MIC.
Ever since the first time we heard a fat beat,
squiggity boom bap, rap's coming back as we speak, yo. Hey, yo, it really all began at the age of 13. A young kid was looking for a way to live his dreams. Boom bap, bumping through my speakers, but needless to say, hip-hop was a daily routine. I wanted to make it, become a superstar when I was older. Mom started asking questions, so what I told her was this: listen, I really feel the rhythm, it goes automatically without me taking a decision. So I will swim the oceans, I climb the hills, come up on top and remain the king in my field. One day I'll pay the bills, jumping up on stage and display my skills on a record deal on my own label. Feel that raw vibe stuck inside my verse since the first moment I picked up a mic and rehearsed. My thirst for rap is large about a minute. I'm in it to bring the old school back and represent it like a minute. Yo, I'm keeping rocking joints until I'm finished, and hip-hop's a living art again for all the y'all to witness. Hit list filled with tracks that bounce hard. The sitness, Professor Search your raps, I'm out for glitches. I'm maneuver smoother than the most can do, cause I'm a true new of the flow and cruise like this. I had to show you people how I judge it, my judgment, but now I'm about to pass it to my cousin.
Hey yo, thanks man, let me grab the mic and explain for where we came and the way we been playing this game. Cause it's a shame how the fame rearranged all the stains that made it what it was for a wind up on the flames. Now everybody these days thinks it's real easy. What we do on the stage, I hope became the team we formed way back in the days when we were cheesy. Still walking our ways to discover the real meaning, while we lived our lives the way we all lived it. Twisted in the mind cause we all splifted, until the day you're after realize we're all gifted. But shake it, we have much to do to get it lifted. Up a notch you do, make an old 90s brew with beats and rounds that blast you to that classic move. Everybody was just laid back and cool, they just chill like we all fucking used to do. It's that commercialism that's on your mind in the prison. Don't fight back, but like Rakim, let the rhythm hit him. Reminisce and don't forget them old school times where everybody's spitting funky rhymes like, ah yes, ain't that fresh? Everybody knows to get down like this, but oh crap, they fucking up rap, and everybody seems to get down like that, y'all.
This is the way it's supposed to be.
Flipping the flow, so it's spitting on the MIC.
Ever since the first time we heard a fat beat, squiggity boom bap, rap's coming back as we speak, yo.
This is the way it's supposed to be.
Flipping the flows when we spitting on the MIC.
Ever since the first time we heard a fat beat,
squiggity boom bap, rap's coming back as we speak, yo.
Old school.